Hello, tutor and classmates. Part 3. All university students should do part-time jobs while they are studying. One question. What are the advantages? Okay, the biggest advantage of partial study is that you can plan your time because you can alternate with work activities and responsibilities at home. Second question. What are the disadvantages? Not being able to meet the schedules or not being able to accommodate them due to lack of time many times. You can also lose continue in the training process. Three questions. What is your opinion? My opinion regarding the part-time studying is that you can find flexibility in the subject. It can be of great help when you need to work and study at the same time.